Welcome back to the channel. Date is 11th of August 2021. Time हो रहा है 4:55 AM and I am at Kolkata airport heading towards Coimbatore via Hyderabad. It's been quite some time, almost around 5 months. After 5 months I'm traveling again. I'm going to Coimbatore to attend a friend's wedding. We used to be roommates back in Mumbai when I was staying in Mumbai. So it's going to be a reunion with him, me and some of other friends who used to stay together.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
हम हिंदी, अंग्रेजी और पंजाबी बोल सकते हैं।
बाहर आ चुका हूँ मैं फिलहाल. मेरा दोस्त पिक करने वाला है. माई फ्रेंड सरगुना इज गोइंग टू बी हियर. इज वन ऑफ माई एक्स रूममेट्स फ्रॉम मुंबई. सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर हिम. Sarguna. And how are you, man?
I'm good, yeah. Hi.
For a long time, man.
We have another friend called Raj Sabrish. So we'll pick him also.
We'll pick him up as well. He's coming from where?
He's coming from Madurai.
Madurai. Okay. So Sarguna, nothing has changed. I remember the 9 years back when I landed here, my father's friend who picked me up and we went to a hotel where my friend was waiting. It was our in a process for Indian Navy SSB shots. They were taking in engineers, so they had come to our college and taken the first round, and then there was this 5-day SSB thing, which we all parties. I all took part, but I got out in the conference round, what they call. I'll put music here. You can speak now. I'm putting music. PSG College of. You are high.
Huh?
What?
I just show I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not very good at this.
No, I won't ask you to speak. I'm just now putting music. This is Avinashi Road, right?
Yeah, this is Amish.
I remember this, man.
This is PSG.
PSG College of.
No, this is my.
When I landed, they asked to check the RT-PCR results. Now, you may read in Indigo flight information that Tamil Nadu only asks RT-PCR for passengers coming into from Kerala and Maharashtra, but no, they're asking everyone. So even if your state doesn't require RT-PCR results, please do an RT-PCR result to be on the safe side, because you don't know, times are such, you don't know when who will ask. So always get a RT-PCR done. And also there's another thing which I saw. It's called the Tamil Nadu e-pass. So it's kind of an e-pass. The link I'll give below. in the description. You have to log in, you have to put your address, where you're going, where you're coming from, even your flight number and all that. And with an OTP, you can do a free registration of the e-pass. But they didn't check it anywhere. But still, you better do it because you don't know who when can ask the e-pass. So better be on the safe side. So Danish, the groom, has very generously put us up at Taj Vivanta, or Vivanta by the Taj. You have to tell them to bring the luggage. Luggage bahar hai. So you have to tell them. Fine. So I've settled down for work while they have gone for lunch. In the meantime, let me give you a room tour. That's my favorite part of staying in a 5-star hotel. Is this a 5-star hotel? I think it's a 5-star hotel, or maybe 4-star. But yeah, doesn't matter. It is a very luxurious and comfortable stay here in Coimbatore. And pretty nice. It has got twin beds, not like the monster king-size bed in Ramada, Darjeeling. Bed is very soft, as I test everywhere. Nice decoration. This trio of hanging lights. Your nice charging outlets on both sides. There's an intercom. There's a TV. Ramada had a bigger TV, but this is okay. It's 32-inch. I'm obviously working there. That's my workstation. Today is a working day. People are out there drinking, enjoying, having bachelor party since afternoon, but I have to work. What to do? Salaried people. This is the problem. The best part, this is the view. What a nice view outside. Really calm, green and serene. I don't know if my GoPro can capture it. And far in the distance, in the horizon, are the Nilgiri mountains. That's where Ooty, the popular hill stations such as Ooty, Kunnud and Kotagiri are. And I am obviously going to Ooty in a couple of days. So yeah, those mountains are calling and I will go. भाई मतलब खर्चा किया है, मतलब खर्चा किया है इन्होंने, काफी खर्चा किया है. So I must say that. Thanks Danish for this hospitality which you're providing. But here comes my favorite part, the bathroom. Bathroom is nice, pretty, oh wow, very comfy. You've got your nice wash basin over here. You've got, oh, every star property has a separate bathing section. And yet thankfully there is no see-through kind of thing, the kinky thing which I've seen in my Darjeeling vlog. Many hotels have this, you know, it's for couples who love to see the significant other taking a bath or taking a dump maybe. Overall, yeah, very nice. There's a phone. Every star property for some reason has a phone. May I order a pizza please? That's maybe for that, or oh well, is the hotel on fire? Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm in the washroom stuck. Yeah, for those kind of things. A lot of meetings, not to catch up. It's not a very light day. There's so much work to be done. So much work that Sarvuna, who is now sleeping like a dead body, just accused me that I've come to Coimbatore to work. I'm off tomorrow. So Sarvuna, don't worry, I'm all yours tomorrow. What's What's up guys, good morning. Date is 12th of August 2021. Woke up around an hour back, went for tea outside, then came back, freshened up, had a bath, changed into new clothes. After some time we'll go for breakfast because as you know, if you stay in a 5-star hotel, one thing you shouldn't miss is the free complimentary breakfast. मतलब टिपिकल मिडिल क्लास थिंकिंग, इतना खाओ ब्रेकफास्ट, मतलब इतना दबा के खाओ, दबा के पी लो कि गला तक भर जाए, उसके बाद कुछ फुल डे पूरे दिन खाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. That's the mindset which I'm carrying, and not just me, any person, any middle class person who will stay in such a big hotel will have. But and also it should be इतना अच्छा फ्री में मिल रहा है, complimentary मिल रहा है, right? Not, it's not complimentary, it's included within the bill. Nothing in life is free. So yeah, you're paid for it actually. It's not free, so why not have it? So I'm gonna have breakfast. उससे पहले room फिर से दिखा दूँ. It was me and Sarguna, my friend. We stayed here. Room was comfy. It was very good. Nice sound sleep. Yesterday was a bit hectic job wise. 11:30 बजे तक मैं काम करता रहा.
Morning, man.
Morning. All set for breakfast? That was a really heavy and sumptuous breakfast. But now I'm ready, all set for the wedding. Everyone is wearing black shirt, but I didn't bring a black shirt, so I'm wearing a black kurta and black jeans. What can go wrong? Simply basic, right? Let's go to the wedding hall. Right, we are at Ukkadam at the outskirts of Tamil Nadu. Right, we are at Ukkadam, the outskirts of Coimbatore. This is where our good friend Danish is getting married. What you see behind is a huge wedding hall. There it is. सारे जने गले मिल रहे हैं. मैं भी गला मिल रहा. I love you, man. So basically, what's happening is on that side is the women's section. We are not allowed to go there. I by mistake had gone inside. And on this side is the men's who are posing for photos. So we come and pose for photos. after having that heavy breakfast, it was difficult to eat that lunch, but it was completely in traditional South Indian way. Food on banana leaf. There was parota, there was chicken, there was biryani, mutton biryani, and there was fish, a pickle, and it was really sumptuous. I really enjoyed having the food. After that, we have all come back. All the friends with whom I were there, they have all gone back to their homes in Coimbatore or in the neighboring districts or wherever they came from. I am left. I have one more day which Danish has very generously gifted me. I could have gone to Ooty today itself, but I will take the day off, walk around this place. This is a very as I told you before, I got nostalgic because I have a lot of memories associated with this area. I'll go for a walk. The only thing in Chennai is malls, restaurants, everything close at 5 p.m. So there's a big mall here, Brookfields Mall, where we used to go when we had a leisure time. There used to be 4 to 7, 3 hours of leisure time where we used to all go out and have some fun in the city. Let's open it. It's an off day today. I have taken off and I've brought my company laptop with me, but it also doubles as a thing where I can watch Netflix. So yeah, I told them to clean the room, but they've forgotten. But I think I won't bother because anyway I'm checking out tomorrow. Nothing much to show today. In this vlog, it's become somewhat of a daily vlog. The real fun starts tomorrow when I start driving. It'll become more of a moto vlog and then a travel vlog of Ooty and Kannur. Really excited to see the places and explore the Nilgiris. So catch me then that time. For now, I'm ending the vlog. If you like this vlog, be sure to give it a like. New to the channel, do subscribe, comment what you feel like, and hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get the notification. With that, see you, Tata, San.